Mac is on, you can check your Mac storage here. Right now I'm using 500 GB SSD. That is the reason I'm gonna upgrade my SSD. So we're gonna open these screws. Let's start from there. So this screw is a little bit longer. This fourth one is a little bit small. This is cover is removed. So this is a hard drive, SSD, whatever you need to change, you can. This is the SSD place where your hard drive and SSD located. So you're gonna unscrew these 4 screws. So removing these supports from the SSD, we need 8-star T5 tip screwdriver. So we can use this one to remove. So now you can remove this thing, the support. So this is the new one which I'm gonna use it now, 2 TB Samsung SSD. So we're going to put 4 supporting screw back on this new SSD. So now all these 4 supports back in there. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put this SATA cable back, this one. Make sure it's clicked properly. Now we're gonna put it aside. This clip have support for this thing. We're gonna put it back here. I'm gonna put this screw back, this one. Now let's just put the cover back. Just put 2 screws here. So this is the second screw, we're gonna put it here. Turn on your Mac.